Hello everyone, I am Bhavna Singh. Welcome back to Insightonomics. So let's start the topic for today without a further ado. So in this particular video, we are using the Slutsky's equation to derive an elasticities expression. Okay, so हमें क्या करना है? हमारे पास ये Slutsky's equation है जो कि हमारे पास given है. Okay, and we have to use this particular equation and we have to derive an expression for elasticities, okay, with respect to price using this particular equation. And this is a very important topic, like all these topics related with Slutsky's, Hicks decomposition, these are very important topics. So let's solve it. First, what we have to do is we have to multiply this whole term with price of x and okay. So first, in order to get the elasticity form of this Slutsky's equation, just multiply these all terms with this price of x and x. So we'll write it, multiply left hand side and right hand side, both. Okay, so when we multiply it, you'll get, this time I'm using different color for this, price of x, x. Well, let me, okay, first this xc, price of x minus x, x, this m. Okay, now this is price of x, x, price of x, and this x. Okay, so like first I'll tell you, like as we know elasticity with respect to price, तो उसका normally formula क्या होता है? Okay, this EP with respect to price is the change in quantity, percentage change in quantity demanded of X with respect to the percentage change in quantity demanded of, sorry, it your price elasticity will explain the percentage. It is the ratio of the percentage change in quantity demanded of X as a result of the percentage change in the prices. Okay, so we'll write it like this. Okay, and okay, so what we have to do now, this seems a price elasticity. Okay, and this seems an expression for substitution elasticity, and we have to now manipulate this term as well a little bit. So for that we have to multiply m by m with the expression for income effect. Okay, so we'll do it. I'm using different pen. So here we have this expression. And I'm using different color. We have to add m by m here. Sorry. M by m here. And I've left out the one term. Price of x and x. So we have to manipulate it a bit. Okay. So ये as it is ही रहेगा. But here हमें इसको इनकम इलास्टिसिटी के फॉर्म में लिखना है, तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे? I'm using a bit different color for this again. It's like this price of x into x divided by m. We'll take here and we'll write our equation like del x by del m with m by x. So this m, this x, ये यहाँ पे है, and this price of x, and this m will take here. Okay. So now these all three expressions has been manipulated in terms of elasticity. So this first expression denotes the price elasticity. Okay. The change in change in quantity demanded of X as a result of change in prices in percentage terms. Okay. And this particular expression represents the elasticity for substitution effect. Okay. Change in quantity demanded of X as a result of change in relative prices. Okay. Now this particular expression, it has two expressions. This will represent the income elasticity. Okay. This expression represents the share of income, sorry, spent on good X. So the effect of income elasticity will depend on the share of income, the total share of income spent on particular good X. Okay. First, let me box this as this is the final expression for our given question. So this is an expression for our Slutsky's equation in terms of elasticity. तो इसको मैं एक बार इधर ऐसे लिखती हूँ like this. Okay, so this price of x into x divided by m, it represents the share of income, total income spent on good x. Okay, अगर ये share कम है, अगर आप total income में से hardly like you have 100 rupees and hardly you are just spending 10 rupees or less than 10 rupees on particular good X, then any change in price will have a very minimum impact on the purchasing power with respect to good X, and as a result आपका income effect जो रहेगा वो बहुत कम रहेगा and income elasticity जो है बहुत minimum रहेगी, so that you will get an expression that your price elasticity is almost, in that case, almost equals to your elasticity with respect to relative prices. Okay. एंड अगर आपका इनकम का शेयर, आप बहुत ज्यादा इनकम का शेयर गुड एक्स पे कंट्रीब्यूट कर रहे हो, तो उस केस में क्या रहेगा, आपकी जो इनकम इलास्टिसिटी है वो काफी ज्यादा रहेगी एंड उस केस में जो है आपकी ओवरऑल जो इलास्टिक ये ज्यादा रहेगा एंड ये जो है इलास्टिक रहेगा, और यू कैन से दैट you will get a elastic demand. So overall impact of income or change in income as a result of change in price on the quantity demanded of X will depend on the share of income that is distributed to good X. Okay. So this is an, again this is the final derivation for this Slutsky's equation in terms of elasticity. And again मैं एक बार थोड़ा सा conclude कर देती हूँ इसको. हमें इसमें सिंपल कुछ नहीं करना. We have been given this Slutsky's equation. हमें इसको elasticity के फॉर्म में मैनिपुलेट करना है, तो वो हम लोग कैसे करेंगे? As we know the terms for elasticity, that this is the ratio of percentage change in x with respect to the percentage change in price of x, जिसे हम इस तरीके से लिखते हैं. Okay, like this. Let me box it. हमें ये सारी जो इक्वेशन है इसको इसी तरीके से मैनिपुलेट करना है. सो इन ऑर्डर टू मैनिपुलेट इट हम लोग क्या करेंगे, दोनों साइड दिस प्राइस ऑफ एक्स एंड प्राइस ऑफ वाई से जो है मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे, देन वी विल गेट दिस एक्सप्रेशन. एंड टू गेट द इनकम इलास्टिसिटी हम लोग m बाई n से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे इस पर्टिकुलर एक्सप्रेशन से. ओके, सो दैट we will get this type of particular expression. Okay, it is very simple. आपको बस थोड़ा मैनिपुलेट करना है चीजों को, and I hope आप लोगों को क्लियर हुआ होगा, and this video is done.